हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू वाइजर लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम आपको इंट्रोड्यूसिंग कैरी ऑन आंसर्स द इंडस्ट्री फर्स्ट जेन एआई कॉम्पीट असिस्टेंट फॉर योर रेवेन्यू टीम के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। शीला लाहौर ऑन वेब वेनेसडे July 24, 2024, reading time 5 minutes. In today's fight cycle competitive sales landscape, two-thirds of open deals are based head to head with competitors, yet traditional captivative enablement is falling short. Battle cards with SDL have become table stakes. Battle cards are a foundational piece of your compete program, but adoption can be a challenge. Sales reps often find it difficult to quickly look at uh, look at and extract the precise information they need during critical moments clearly. There has to be a more efficient way for sales team to assess critical insights faster and more intuitively. That's where we come in. Introducing carry on answers. The first gen AI compete assistant for sales beyond battle card. Carry on answers transcends traditional battle cards with an innovative approach to how sellers leverage their compete asset build from the ground up. Its design to drive a significant increase in seller adoption and competitive wins. By simply asking questions, reps can assess the latest insights on competitors, including strength, weakness, pricing models, and more. Carry on answers taps into your competitive assets to provide real life conversational answers to any query. Additionally, crayon answers assist in crafting compete content, ensuring that your intelligence remains sharp and relevant. Carry on answers. Marketo's strength lie in its ability to cater to environments that are scaling quickly. The product can seamlessly integrate with exciting systems, allowing for scalability and automation. Additionally, Marketo boosts a suite of products that fit the needs of the enterprise strong customer support, industry standard certifications for training, professional service engagement for complex environments, a wide range of integrations, and a robust community for best practices and support. Furthermore, Marketo has been the leader in its market for 5 years, offering a full product experience to its customers. The more specialized and detailed content you add, the smarter Crayon answers gets, enhancing its ability to deliver top-notch responses tailored to each sales situation. By continuing to develop and update your battle cards, you ensure that Carry On Answers has a robust foundation of high quality information to draw from, making it an even more powerful tool for your sales team. This synergy between detailed battle cards and crayon answers advanced AI capabilities ensure your sales reps are always equipped with the most accurate and relevant insights, driving higher win rates and more successful outcomes or competitive edge. Traditionally, in the competitive enablement market, vendors have focused slowly on bottle cards, constantly refining their format and design to make them more snackable in hopes of boosting adoption. This approach is outdated and ineffective. The solution is about making battle cards easier to navigate. It's about addressing the real needs of sales reps and bridging the gap between CI and sales. Crayon answers integrated with Slack teams. Communication is king, and internal messaging platforms like Slack and Teams is where it happens. Carry on answers seamlessly integrates with Slack and Teams, making it even easier for sales reps to get answer. Just type carry on followed by your question, and within seconds you'll have your answer ready to share with the team. See below for a typical competitive pricing question or a rep might ask in Slack. How much choose Holly cost? Holly's pricing depends on the plan. You choose the basic plan cost $1,000 per TB of data storage per month with additional charges $50 per additional user beyond 100 seats. The advanced plans cost $2,000 per TB of data storage per month and includes unlimited users and well glove support service. Sources: Holly, How We Win, Holly Strategy, Holly Landmines, Holly Pricing. Answer in Microsoft Team coming Q3. Boost your sales team performance. Meaning, managing a competitive intelligence performance is demanding with a constant influx of repetitive questions that can drain your time and resources. Carry on answers revolutionizes this process by making your sales team more self-sufficient. It automates repetitive inquiries, allowing reps to quickly get the information they need without constant hand holding. This frees you to focus on higher level strategic that tasks that drive your compete program forward. Beyond just improving efficiency, Carry On answers offers valuable insight through its analytics capabilities. It tracks the questions your rep asks most frequently, giving you a clear view of their information needs and any gaps in your competitive enablement. With this data, you can easily identify areas for improvement, refine your compete content, and ensure your sales team is always equipped with the most relevant and up-to-date information. This tool benefit of automation and analytics not only enhances the effectiveness of your complete program but also empowers your sales team to achieve greater success. Transform your team with Carry On Answers. Carry On Answers is for transforming the way sales team assess competitive intelligence, making it faster, more smarter, and more effective by integrating advanced and generative AI. Carry On Answers transforms your complete program, enabling instant access to precise, actionable insights. And no longer will your sales reps lose valuable time struggling to find the right information at the critical moments. With Carry On Answers, your team can leverage real-time intelligence that is tailored to their immediate needs, driving bigger, higher adoption rates and significantly improving competitive wins. The seamless integration with tools like Slack ensures that answers are always just a query away, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Embrace the future of compete enablement and empower yourselves reps to crash the competition. Carry On Answers not only streamline your competitive intelligence efforts but also provides the analytics needed to continually improve and adapt our strategy. Experience the in transformative power of Carry On Answers today and watch your sales team's performance soar as they gain the competitive edge needed to win in today's fast-paced market. Don't wait, stay ahead of the competition with the Carry On Answer. Schedule your data. Demo. Yes. Sheila Lehar. Sheila Lahar is the VP of Content Marketing here at Carry On, responsible for marketing sure that everything we publish in unique, compelling, and valuable. Prior to joining Carry On, she built successful content marketing programs at a number of B2B SaaS companies, including Plat, Flatfile, Datu, and Eloqua. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।